What is going on, YouTube? So we installed this DV8 rear bumper, and on today's episode I'm going to show you how to go from this to this. So here's everything that's needed. You're going to need your stock tail light, a pair of pliers, an LED strip, strobe light module, electrical connectors, tools, strippers, electrical tape, end-to-end connectors, and I'm going to be using 18 gauge wire. All of this is going to be in the description below. These are all relatively inexpensive. This total project is not that expensive. Now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be tapping in from the license plate light from over here, and I'm going to wire it out from the top right over here. I put the screwdriver in through the hole. I'll get some better imaging from there. I'm gonna then wire it down from here across the underneath the trunk up and zip tie it along this OEM wire to go through the tailgate and out to the back. And fortunately for us, I still have the wiring from the tail light right over here, so I'm gonna utilize that for the brake light. I just have to connect the strobe in sequence. So let's get started. Gonna try to avoid the Dremel here. Gonna use tin snips to cut across here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and JB weld a strip of LED lighting to the bottom, just so it's like a license plate light. So let's get started. Grab your pair of tin snips. I love this set. I'll put the link below. Let's go ahead and begin. Next up, from the original license plate, I'm going to grab the wiring, just like so. One of these is supposed to be positive, one's supposed to be negative, but they look identical to me. So I just connected it over here to the stock wiring, and I'm going to just go ahead and slice this end off, just like this. I'll leave a little bit, whatever, removed. Now I'm going to try to fish it through. So I slipped in one of these fishing wires. It's one of these guys where you squeeze and it grasps. It's gonna make the job a whole lot easier. As you can see, there's the hole. Time to open up the 18 gauge wire and alligator connect the two of them to each other. Brand new roll. I like 18 gauge. I feel like it's a happy medium. 20 gauge, I feel like it just doesn't, it's not up for the task. Whenever I crimp it, I feel like it breaks often. Nothing like a fresh roll, eh? Crimping the wires. Now the fun part, time to wire it all the way over to the other side. So, let's see here. Again, gonna use this fishing tool. Except from the outside hole. So we're also going to install this flasher module. There's an inside and an outside. I'm going to add it to the factory brake light just to give us some more length as well as that flashing function. And you just go ahead and cut somewhere down the middle. So.
So just had a consult with the boss, decided we want some slack between the carrier and the trunk of the car, so he's just gonna extend that with some electrical wiring. Alrighty guys, so I took some JB Weld, mixed it up, took a strip of the light, and you guys can see on this side, I'm still putting pressure on it because it takes a couple minutes till it hardens to get the light for under the license plate. What do you need, hon?
Turn on your running lights. Oh, I got it. One second. Hold this. Just hold this one. Tell me if the license plate is on.
Yep.
It's on?
Yep.
And brake.
Yep.
How's it?
Great.
Alright.
That's it.
Poopy. Time to zip tie it in place.